Good morning, everybody. It's Israel with Mine for Money. I got another Zcash update for you. It's January 1st. It's a new year, all new profits, okay? So going into this new year, we're going to look at this chart right here. We're already up 3% for the day. We're back up in that 530, 525 range. It's going to fluctuate a little bit. If you looked at what it did yesterday, we came down a little bit. Some people got scared and thought, man, we might have seen our peak. But what we got to do is we got to watch this price movement and see how high up we come up after coming down on that little tiny bit, okay? So, and you look at this graph right here on the right, we're going to look and identify our support range, okay? Right now, we're going to try and find resistance. We don't know where the resistance is going to be. If we look up over on the other charts, we can try and estimate where it's going to be. We'll figure that out. That'll come, okay? Give that a couple of days and we'll find out where that upper resistance will be. But in the meantime, we got to watch where our support level is going to be on this graph here, okay? I put in a little bit of that pocket where we can be in. It'll probably be that 375, 450 range on the current setup, okay? Depending on how this tracks and moves up, we're going to keep an eye on it, and that channel might move up. That support channel might move up. And if we move back up, if we move that support channel up, we're just getting stronger and stronger on this price, okay? Now, what does that mean for you guys? What does that mean for the people like us who have these miners, Z15s, Z11s, whatever you got at home? Almost nobody has a Z15 Pro unless you're paying 10 grand for it or more on whatever the one unit sold for on eBay. But there is a higher abundance of them on eBay of the Z15s. Even the Z15J, that's only a 320, but that's still a lot better than the Z11, okay? The Z15J will still be just as profitable, okay? It's about that cost per kilowatt hour and what that profit is doing for you. You really got to keep an eye on some of this stuff as we keep this moving, okay? So, goal. If we can get the price in the $500, $600 range, that's going to be the money spot. It will only take about 4 miners, Z15s, it'll take about 4 Z15 miners to produce about $100 to $120 per day profit, okay? If you're using a Z15J, it only takes 5 units to get to about that $100, $120 a day profit, okay? Now, what's crazy is you times that by 30, you're making $3 grand a month passive income. You can go work a 9-to-5 job, make $5 grand a month, and this is going to boost you from $5 grand a month to $8 grand a month. This is why people do home mining. We want to make money while we're sleeping, while we're at work, while we're on vacation. It doesn't matter. The goal of this is to have passive income. You don't have inventory. You don't need to check on employees. You don't need W-2s. You simply plug it in and make money. Okay? That's why we're mining for money. I'm Israel with Mine for Money. Like, subscribe, follow, share with friends and family that are also interested in making passive income. 2026